everyone, this is Jules from Wellste Aluminum. Welcome to Wellste channel. I will give you a brief introduction to one of the most popular products in Wellste, steel and Antennal Telescopic Pole. Wellste Antennal Telescopic Pole is the most convenient and stable telescopic pole. The material is 201 steel. It is very easy to operate. Look at these samples. They are all steel Antennal telescopic tube. They have different sizes, lengths, colors, and assembled parts. When you use it, just pull the tube to a steady position to achieve the length you need. When you close it, just push the tube to the original height. It can bear 3 kilograms, loaded capacity weight, commonly applied force, seal-fill sticks, fission poles, girl lights, and so on. Wellste has many standard sizes for steel Antennal telescopic pole. We also support customers, made according to your demands. When you have confirmed sizes and lengths, you can also choose different colors, assembled parts, scale, ski screen, drill holes, and so on. Finish your products under one roof. Contact us now. We will give you a better solution within 24 hours.